freaking frame twisting, dude. That motor's bop, 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 wop, bop, bop. Oh, what's good, YouTube? Woo. And what a beautiful day it is. Just got home from work. Everything's being fantastic. You know what I forgot to do was make a before video before I did anything with the Fury. So I figured now would be the opportunity before I go and make more significant changes. So this is where we're at now. I'm gonna start with a cold start, just because I don't have the stock pipes. When I first bought the bike, it didn't have the stock pipes. They're Cobras, straight shots. But I figured, let me start with an exhaust note, and then we'll just do a walk around quick video, and we'll see what goes with there. Then, months later, weeks later, when I got all the pieces that I want to put on it, we'll do a before and after. I know, right? Took me a while to figure that out, but let's get started. So here we go with the cold startup. The modifications that I did easy was these spikes on the front, just to dress it up, because otherwise it was flat. I did these levers with the Batwing mirrors. Looks pretty cool. I'm going for that spike theme, as you can tell. So having points here and like the spine here, like the skull having points here, it's pretty neat too that even they're curved. So, well, not so much the brake, but the clutch. You bring the clutch lever, it fits nice and tight. So yeah, spikes, levers, mirrors, and then I put a big black spike on the back here. Oh, of course I did a spike license plate. It's a little tacky, but I thought it would look cool. Again, going with the spike theme. And then now that I'm simply just pulling things apart from the bike, making it simple, simplistic, like the Eliminator kit you're going to see obviously when I make the after video. But yeah.